Hi everyone, welcome to CH Components and welcome to the channel. Please hit that like button, remember to subscribe and smash that notification button. This is part 8 in the series, mounting the NEMA 23 stepper motors. First thing I need is a mounting plate for the stepper motor. Now I need two 24mm spacers. Here I assemble the stepper motor to the mounting. This will be used for all three axes. Now I'm adding in the stepper motor mount holes for the y-axis. Now I'm adding the x-axis stepper motor mount holes. This mounting plate will have to change to accommodate the stepper motor for the z-axis. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links in the description below and help this project by making a small donation. If you haven't yet, please subscribe here.